Hello everyone, this is my understanding for information management concept and fundamentals. Information system that the components, hardware, software, data, people, and processes that work together to collect, process, store, and distribute information. For example, the system store uses to track sales and inventory is an information system. This is data information. This section dis- distinguishes between data which are raw, unprocessed facts like a list of numbers and information which is data that has been organized and given context to be meaningfully. A report showing the sales trends from those numbers. This is information management. This topic explains the process or effectively organizing, storing, and securing information within an organization to ensure it's unseemly and useful. Database management system. The database is a structured collection of data. A database management system is the software used to manage that the allowing users to store, retrieve, and update information securely. Key terms. Understand and correctly use terms like information data database and database management system. An information system is a set of interconnected components that collect, process, store, and distribute data to support decision making and control is an organization. Think of point of sale system at the store. It's an information system that manages sales, inventory, and customer data. This section this is in between data and information. Data is raw, unorganized fact like a list of names and numbers. Information is data that has been processed, organized, and structured to give it context and meaning. For example, a list of sales futures data become valuable and information when it's analyzed to show which products sold that most and in specific region. Data's information is a raw organized from as a numbers, letters, or a symbols. Think of it as the foundational building blocks of information. It is reference facts or features or values about specific things. Data is everywhere and is being cleansing or converted into digital format because of the factor like user demand, advancement in data processing, and cheaper, faster storage and networking. Managing your information saves you money. By effectively managing information organized can reduce this is achievement by decreasing efficiency. In process, when information is organized and easily simply employees speedless that sharing for what they need and can be instead focused on product. Does this efficiency translate directly into cost savings? Managing your information makes you money. Proper information management allows organizers to identity and capitalize on new opportunities by analyzing well-managed data and business can again insight into customer behavior, market trends, and areas for truth. This knowledge can be used to create new product and improve service and make strategic decisions that lead to created reduce